Hi, welcome. My name's Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making this little video today to accompany one of the listings that we have on our Etsy shop, and it's to allow you to come along here and have a little listen to the drum. It's this drum, the drum in question. It's a beautiful buffalo drum. Now it's on an 18 roughly by 19 inch frame, slightly in the oval. If I turn it over here, you can see it's got a branch handle, and I've actually bound the handle here with some wool, some red and black wool, and some leather just to trim it off. On the inside of the ash frame here, I put burst on the 17th of January 2022 in Knighton, Powys, UK. That's to allow you to make a birth chart, have a look at the astrological aspects that were around on the day when this drum was birthed. If that is something that you'd be interested in doing, then all that information hopefully should allow that to be easy to do. Now I'm going to play with two beaters, a softer beater and a slightly firmer beater. Both should give a slightly different sound. I would recommend using headphones or a Bluetooth speaker or something along those lines. They give you a more true to life type sound when you're listening to these videos back, especially when I'm playing the drum, which I'm going to do now. I'm going to start with a firmer beater. Here we go. Beautiful. It's got a lovely deep resonant sound, this drum. Usually the bigger the drum, the deeper the sound. Here we go. Softer beater. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope it's helped you to make a more informed decision. Find out whether this is the right drum for you, if it's calling to you. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.